Hello YouTuber, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before starting today, we are going to discuss about how to start a YouTube channel and grow it in 2022. Starting a YouTube channel and regularly publishing video is among the fastest ways to establish authority in your niche and fuel the growth of your expertise-based business. One third of internet users watch tutorials on how to video weekly and most of them to do on YouTube. By creating valuable free YouTube content for your audience, you can establish your authority and build a high conversion funnel or your paid services and products. But to do that, you need to start a YouTube channel first. In this video, I will not only tell you how to start a YouTube channel the right way but also share proven strategies to help you grow your subscriber base. Let's start it. How YouTube helps you sell your expertise. Numerous creators and experts use YouTube to grow their subscriber base and generate lead for their high ticket offering. For example, Brandon of Backninko has a premium SEO course he opens up once a year. But before launching that course, Brain, who is already an influencer in the SEO niche, decided to start a YouTube channel and publish a ton of free content on it. It's a classic lead generation strategy that works in every industry. Why is YouTube such a great platform for generating lead for your online courses? Because it's allowed to your prospect to see your work in action and then evaluate the value of your content before signing up for a premium course. This is why we an active and popular YouTube channel can quickly become your most significant source of lead and customers. 5 steps to start a YouTube channel from scratch. Starting a YouTube channel involves no rocket science. You can easily do it in 5 to 10 minutes. You need to think strategically about starting a YouTube channel and think of its long term goals. Because sometimes creating your YouTube channel without considering your topics, audience, and long term goals can cause problems later down the road. Number 1 method, choose a YouTube niche. There are more than 40 million active YouTube channels right now, but more than 80% of them have less than 1,000 subscribers. If you want to start a YouTube channel to grow to 1k to 100k or even a million subscribers, you need to position yourself differently from the start. In other words, you need to choose a YouTube niche. Here are some of the things you need to consider while positioning your channel. Being an expert in a particular niche is great, but if there are not enough people searching for it on YouTube, you won't be able to grow your channel. How do you know if a topic is in demand? For example, I said dog training on YouTube and it's clear from the result that there is a lot of demand for this topic. The depth of your niche is the other thing to consider. Audience needs. When choosing your niche, research your audience need to understand what they want from you. This not only help you plan your YouTube content in advance but also help you evaluate your grip on a topic. Video type. This point is closely connected to the last one. but I want to discuss it separately because of its significance. When video drives your audience prefer watching plays a considerable role in your channel growth. For example, there are niches like productivity, health tips, and even recipes where you do not necessarily have to face the camera. Such niches are great if you are camera shy, but in many other niches you have to be right in front of the camera all the time. So before choosing a niche, make sure you understand the kind of video you need to create to stand out. Otherwise, you can start a YouTube channel, but you might struggle to gain traction. Second mechanism is create a new YouTube channel. Once you choose your niche, it's time to start YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com and click sign in. You need a Google account to start a YouTube channel. If you already have one, sign in using your credential, otherwise create a new account. This leads you to the first step in your YouTube channel creation process, where you have to choose your YouTube channel name and icon. Whatever approach you take, just make sure that your channel name is short, easy to remember, brandable, and sticky. That is it, you have successfully created a new YouTube channel. Third method is use channel art to make a strong impression. Your YouTube channel headers image plays a vital role in the branding and helps you highlight its central theme. The header image of Braindean's YouTube channel is a great example. Plus, if you notice in the corner of the image, you can also add links to your website and social media profiles. Fourth method, build authority with your channel description. Many content creators ignore their YouTube channel about section or just won't put enough thought into it. Big mistake. Your channel description is ideal for introducing yourself, your brand, and sharing reasons why people should watch your content. The fifth method is invest in a channel trailer videos. You might not be able to create a trailer video when you start your channel, but you should have it in your plans. As the name says, a trailer video is a short cinematic video of what your channel offers. It is an example source of anyone visiting your channel for the first time. There is no formal trailer category on YouTube, but when you create one, just make it in the feature video of your channel so that it is viable to all visitors. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.